Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can use count and COUNTIF formula in Google Sheets. So let's get started. Here I have opened my spreadsheet in my Google Sheets, and before I explain to you how we can use both of the formulas, I'm going to explain to you the difference between count and COUNTIF function. So guys, we can use count function to count the number of the numeric values in a table. Meanwhile, for the COUNTIF function, we can use it to count the number of numeric values with a specific criteria. So what makes them different is the criteria. Okay, let's just practice how we can use it. The first thing we have to do is click on the cell where we want to put the formula, and I'm going to put the formula right here, and we're going to count the number of numeric values of this column. So I'm going to type the formula. Don't forget to type equal, then count function, and parentheses mark, and after that we can select the range. It's from B2 cell until B14 cell, like this. Okay, and after that we can click on this check mark, and this is the number of the numeric values of square column. And I'm going to practice how we can use COUNTIF. So just type equal COUNTIF and select the range. It's the same from B2 cell until B14 cell. And after that we can put the criteria, and I'm going to count the number of the numeric values that are larger than 75. So I'm going to put the criteria. Don't forget to type double quotes, and larger than 75, like this. Alright, and after we're done, we can click on the check mark. Alright guys, and that's how we can use count and COUNTIF function in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.